there on the tip of your brain, like, there's something I can do with this that's just exactly what it could be. And it's just right there. I just feel like there's something that this wants to be. Like, it really has something it wants to be, and I just can't quite put my finger on it. I think I gotta connect these together. I think that's how we get started here. So there's a start. Now I think that's gotta get welded up so it stays on there. So what do y'all think I should do next? Let me know in the comments. I still don't know if I can figure this out. It wants to be something.